pepperoni, crusted pepperoni cheeseburger. What? You got to be kidding me.
Just another big game series video.
Yes, we got to do that, right?
Another big game video.
Yes, yeah. We want to keep it simple so the pit masters aren't spending 24 hours working on the barbecue and all that kind of stuff. No, they got to watch the game. It's crazy. All right, let's show you how this is done. All right, cool.
Okay, good.
All right, there you go. So, real easy to do. All right, we'll just make some burgers. Now, you want to use ground chuck whenever you can, right? A lot of you guys know that. If you've been hanging around this for 18 years, we've been doing this. You got to be joking. All right. So, we could actually fast forward this, but we have nothing else to do. So we'll do this.
Jesse's here.
Yeah.
The way it is.
All right.
About that size.
We got the pepperoni.
Hey, there he is.
You guys are good at handling that meat. It's really
There's
good.
the man.
Crusted pepperoni, man.
the J
It's
Dog
going to be
is
good.
Oh wow.
Yep.
Great.
Look at that.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah. So, now these guys do this all day long. They do it 24 hours a day, you know, but they love barbecue. And I get it, so.
Gotta be able to get your meat
But
done.
cool. Yep. All right. There we go. Oh.
Is this another slash?
All right. Burgers are done. Now, the main part of this is the pepperoni. There we go. Right? So what are we going to do with the pepperoni? We got some, yeah, help yourself. Help yourself. So the idea here is we're going to grind up the pepperoni, right? And it's easier rather than use a pepperoni stick is get the pre-sliced. They're very, very thin like that. And we're going to use our mixolator here to do these up. This mixolator here actually uses electricity. How about that? You know, these new modern inventions are fantastic. There you go. Simple enough. Yep.
We got chunky.
So the next thing we're going to do
Flash, you want to get in?
is we're going to coat these burgers with this pulverized pepperoni. I think you all know where we're going with this, man. It's an outrageous sandwich.
Pat it right on.
Yep. Yep. All right, get it on there, ignite. There you go. Look at that. You see? All right. There we go.
Throw some jalapenos in there and you got it made.
That won't do.
Pepperoni pop.
Yep. So this will crust up really nice on the grill. Ooh.
Get that on there. Push that right in there.
Now, all we need to do is grab a spatula, and we're going to head out to the grill.
There you go, folks.
Let's go.
Oh, you kidding me? Take a look at that. Take a look at that.
Great.
A little indirect heat.
Yep. We're going to bake these first. We don't want to put them directly over the hot coals because it might bust up these burgers, right? So this is the technique you use. And we'll start out. All right. All right. Yep. Go ahead. Oh. Take a look at that. All right. Got a little Here smell of the train. The engineers, they can smell this. They're going to come stop up in the back.
Lunch.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Perfect. Okay. Yep.
I'm just looking for heat.
Yep. Beautiful. Bluetooth mic. Okay, cool. All right. Now we got those cheeseburgers. Gotta be kidding me. This is what it's all about, guys. You know it. Hell yeah. Beautiful. Whoa.
Oh, that's a burger.
We're eating good tonight, Martha. Look at that. All right. Pepperoni crusted hamburger or cheeseburger. Use the condiments you like, right? We've got the pickles, we got the tomatoes, we got the sliced onion. All right. So, let's put this together, man. Let's do it. All right. Now, grab your favorite mayo and spread it on good. Oh, it smells outrageous. You can smell that pepperoni, how it overpowers everything, right?
Slasher.
All right, so
Oh yeah, let's do this.
slasher special.
God,
Oh, look at that.
Lord have mercy. Look at that. Are you kidding?
Look at the juice.
Whoa.
Juice factor on there.
All right. All right. Hoo-wee. Beautiful.
Now we're going with just a regular burger.
Yep. Just the crusted.
Accidents happen.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, that smells are unbelievable.
Mm. All right. Let's let the dog do it now.
You got a little flag you can put in there?
All right, a little onion for the crunch.
Yeah, you gotta do the onion. So now
Ooh.
I'm gonna,
Yep.
Let's gotta take a shot at
Yep.
this.
use my
Just use the crusted.
There we go.
Slice of tomato.
I love the pickles. These are great pickles. Dill pickles.
A little pickle.
I better make them stay on here too.
Mm. That's good.
Man.
All right. Pull that off. Cool.
Put it
All
back
right.
on.
East. We'll do one for fame. Got the mayo on there. Let me grab a cheese. Crusted pepperoni. Like that. Kind of like the onion part on there. Like that. That works. Lord have mercy. Add some moisture to the bite. Nice little tomato from our garden. How the hell we grow fresh tomatoes out here in the middle of winter? I don't get it, but it's a miracle of time, right? And hanging with us. All right, let's do this, man. This is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. I think I just said that, but I'll tell you what, I'm ready to eat. All right, let's do this. Do this.
Right there.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. All right. Look at that. Oh, man.
I'm going for it.
That weighs about 2 pounds, man. Look at that. Mm. Oh, that smoky beef
Wow.
with that pepperoni.
Oh, that burger's delicious.
I'll tell you what. It's nice to be in the cabin. It's about like 24 or 28 degrees out there. I'll tell you what, we need a break. So anyway, how does this go? The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.